Today, we take this beautiful 230S by Blade and we're going to completely upgrade and change its look. The next video should be pretty awesome. Alright guys, here it is. I spent all day working on it. She is now a 230S that's completely upgraded. Let me show you. Metal tail. New boom. Boom supports. New carbon fin. Landing gear. MicroHeli swash. Lynx 300X 245mm blades. Canopy mounts. This is one cool looking bird right now. There it is. Anti-rotation bracket is metal as well. Thanks for watching, guys. This 230S is now completely upgraded. The main rotor grips are pre-ordered and they're on their way. And so is the main gear. Thank you for taking a look at my 230S. Upgraded. Thanks for watching.